Lovell's a partnership housing developer, developing mixed tenure homes across England, Scotland and Wales. At Lovell, we always try and strive to invest in local talent and provide young people with job opportunities in the sector. And we really value the importance of having a team of diverse and talented individuals, and participating with schemes such as Network75 is the perfect way to achieve these goals. The level of quality of the candidates that applied for the first trainee quantity surveyor role was extremely high, and we were really impressed. We really like the programme, the way it works. It's a cost-effective way to invest in long-term talent, which enables us to build a pipeline of skilled professionals. The Network75 students remain with us after completing their studies, which obviously ensures the return on our investment through long-term loyalty and commitment. The scheme also allows the students to develop a deep understanding of the business, our culture, and our processes. So, we've massively gained from the students and the programme.